In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your Counter-Strike 2 is not launching or opening. The first thing you want to do is right click on it and head over to Properties. Go to Installed Files and try and verify integrity of game files. If this still doesn't work, try and press on Browse, open up Game. In Game you want to go to Bin, Windows 64 or Windows 32 if you have that one, and find the CS2.exe. In here you want to right click on it and go to Properties, go to Compatibility, try and activate these two, press apply OK and then try and launch. If it's still not working, try and activate this one, apply OK and launch. And if that is not working, you can try the Windows 7 one as well. But for me, it's working without this one, so I'll just keep it like this. Now, if this is still not working, another thing we can do is you can come here and search for Steam, right click, open file location, again, an open file location. Inside the Steam one, you want to find user data. Then you should have one or multiple folders with some numbers. You want to find the one with the 730 inside. So in this one, I don't have that one, but in this one, I have it. What you want to do is you want to just delete this folder. And don't worry, it's just a bunch of random stuff and it's going to regenerate itself anyways. So just delete this folder if you can. If it says you cannot, it's because you need to close down Steam completely. So just do that from down here by right clicking and exit. And once you've deleted this folder, you can try and relaunch Steam and then you can try and see if it works now. Now, if for some reason it's still not working, the last option that I suggest you do is you update your GPU drivers. You can do that by coming in here, Device Manager, Display Adapters, right click, update, as well as downloading the software for this one. So I'm gonna Google this one, you probably have another one, but Google the name of yours and type in software after. In my case, it's the NVIDIA one. So I would open up the NVIDIA and update my driver from in there. There's an automatic button you can just press. And if it still doesn't work after that and you restarted your PC, then try just simply reinstall Counter-Strike. So right click on it, uninstall and then reinstall. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.